So, Mr. Travers, CIO, I want to talk to you today a little bit about mobile device management. I want to talk a little bit about the proliferation of end users bringing their personal assets into the corporate network. Let's start off with a couple of stats. There's 1.3 billion devices out in the marketplace today. 85% of those are smartphones and tablets. Symantec ran an interesting survey or a test last year around mobile device management. They wanted to understand the behavior of when a device gets lost, what happens to it, what do people look at, what's the information they're taking a look at. So some of the information from the Symantec study showed that 100% of the devices were snooped. And by snooped, we mean that a person went in, logged in to see who owned the device, and they went in and looked at some additional information, such as who you were talking to on Facebook. They also wanted to see who you were tweeting with. They want to understand who was in your social circle, what you were talking about, what type of events you've been going to, taking a look at pictures of who you are. In addition, a little more scarier of a statistic is that 43% of the people went in to take a look at financial information. So they want to understand your bank accounts, where you bank at, who your credit cards, how much money you have in the bank, as an example. The main takeaway of this is that 100% of the devices were looked at, and less than 40% of the devices were returned. So as more and more employees are bringing their own personal devices into the corporate IT network, they're connecting them up to the network, and they're commingling their own personal data along with corporate data. So they're taking a look at things such as corporate email, and that could be commingled with their own personal email. Contacts, you have both corporate contacts and personal contacts residing on the same device. You also have documents, and these could be corporate documents that are downloaded to those devices, or people are consuming that information through their smartphones or their tablets. And they also have things such as their own family pictures. They can also be corporate-related information and pictures. So as more and more people are bringing these devices in there, it's getting harder and harder for IT to be able to control and manage this and keep reins around all of the information, what's leaving the corporate network, what happens when these devices get stolen, what happens when an employee leaves the company, or either terminated. So Microsoft has created a technology called Intune. Intune is a SaaS cloud-based solution, turnkey solution that allows you to get up and running and to be able to help you manage your mobile devices. The Intune solution can also work with Configuration Manager. And Intune helps you do things like manage your Windows mobile devices, manage your Apple devices, and also manage your Android devices. Configuration Manager gives you some deeper integration of the endpoints that allows you to manage things such as PCs, Linux OS, other flavors of Unix. Also allows you to manage the Mac operating system as an example. But some of the main benefits of what Intune provides you is there's a SaaS solution. So for a low monthly fee, it gives you the ability to get out of the maintenance, upgrades, patching, taking care of the technology. All of that is provided for you as part of that monthly fee. In addition, it's a turnkey solution, which means that all you have to do is load a client on the desktop computers. Then they're able to be managed. In managing it, kind of taking it down to that next level, allows you to do things like this patching. The vast majority of security breaches happen on PCs that are greater than 6 months, where they haven't had security updates applied. It also allows you to get real-time alerting. This alerting can be in the form of pre-failure indications. It can give you the overall health of the endpoint device, and it can also let you know in real time on things such as failed login attempts or anything else from a security perspective that may need immediate attention on it. In addition, you have the ability to do remote wipe management. This is important because back here we were talking about the commingling of data between personal devices coming in the corporate environment, but the new feature coming out in Intune allows you to be able to wipe corporate information off of the device without affecting the employee's personal information. In addition, you have the ability to do things such as application packaging, to be able to distribute software packages over the internet. It allows you to do holistic endpoint management. And it allows you to get an accurate real-time view of your hardware and software inventory. If this sounds of interest, I'd like to bring in one of our solution engineers, talk a little bit more in detail in regards to this.
Yeah, that's interesting.